Hi guys and welcome back to my channel, and in this video we're going to be talking about order blocks. Bet me, this video is going to be the simplest video or the simplest explainer to this concept of order blocks. This is a video in a series called Forex Trading for Every Beginner, and in this series we aim to take everyone from the beginner phase into a professional phase as a Forex trader. Alright, so we're going to move in straight into the video. So what is an order block? Another block is the origin block of a particular price movement or a particular trend. All right. So another block is where orders are stacked. All right. Orders in the market are stacked in a particular position. So we have a buy trend that is about to start. There is a particular place where the orders are stacked, which made that particular price point to be attractable or to be more affordable or preferable for everyone who is buying that particular stock, that particular bond, that particular asset. All right. So the most affordable price or the most preferable price point for a particular asset is called an order block because orders are stacked in that particular area. So because orders are stacked in that particular area, it pushes price in that direction. Okay, so because that is what everyone wants to buy, that is the price everyone wants to buy at or sell at. So that particular price point becomes preferable to everyone who is trading that particular asset, and then it pushes price in the desired direction. Now let's show you some graphical examples of what an order blocks means. All right, so looking at this simple chart that I've been able to put up together right here, we have that price was moving in the downside originally, and after some movements to the downside, it started pushing back upwards. It started moving upwards. All right. Now we're going to be wondering, and maybe after this point, price started moving to the upside. Say we had something like this. All right. This is this example. Price came down. After coming down, it started pushing all the way up. All right. So you're going to be wondering what is around this particular area that made price to turn and start moving all the way up. So let's do this way. All right. So what is in this area that attracted price to it here and it started pushing price all the way up? So what is actually in this area? What is in this place? Now, what is actually in that place is what we call the order block. There is an order stacked here. There is so many orders stacked around this area. That is what is sending price back upwards. Okay, so that order that is right there that is sending price all the way upwards, we call that a region, the region of the order block. So we simply do something like this. Okay, so let me change this color so that it is something that everyone would be able to relate to. All right, so let me look for a more faint color. All right, so this is it. Right? So this whole region is the order block. Because of this particular block right here, orders were stacked when price got to this particular price point. That is candle number 3. I'm marking it out for reference purpose. So this candle number 3 is the order block. Orders were stacked right here. That is why when price got to this place, we started seeing this whole move or this whole push to the upside. So you can also identify another block as the last sell candle before a violent buy move, all right, before a buy trend. The last sell candle before a buy trend is another block. This is in the buy direction. We're going to give you an illustration for the sell direction. But for this buy direction, the last sell candle before the buy trend is called the order block. So this right here, this sell candle right here, is the order block. This sell candle right here is the order block. All right. Now for the other case scenario, which is in a sell trend. All right. In the sell trend, the last buy candle before the sell started is called the order blocks. Why? Because price is stacked. Price are stacked between here. Orders are stacked around this region, and it's attractable for investors and traders alike. So this region is the most attractive region for investors and traders. So after price got into this region, you can see how it started selling off so quickly. All right, so this is the order block. Now, how do we take advantage of this order block being a form of liquidity? Now, what we expect from price right here is that after price is traded away from this level, it should revisit this level and then continue selling off. So we expect price to revisit this level and then continue selling off. All right, for this other case, we expect price to revisit this level back here. Okay, expect price to revisit this level back here and continue buying off. Okay, so we expect to revisit to the order block and continuation. All right, so this is for the buys case and this is for the sell case. All right, so these is the three examples of liquidity or different types of liquidities. We taught in previous videos the highs and the lows, the fair value gaps and imbalance, and now the order block. If you keep it as simple as this, you're going to understand. There are other types of order blocks that are a bit advanced, but for a beginner, I think this is going to be enough. And when we start the next series, we're going to start learning other forms of order blocks. All right. I hope this video was helpful and very explanatory. If it was, click on the like button and subscribe to the channel if you've not. Share these videos with your friends who also is interested in trading the forex market and will be able to take all of you from beginner level to intermediate and soon a professional level. Until we meet again, we wish you good luck and good trading. Cheers and God bless, guys.